Hi guys, it's Munene here from Finam Graphics. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to add new categories to your WooCommerce website. So the first thing, you have to log into the backend of your website. So once you log into the dashboard, you are going to see a page like this. Then from there, let's go to products. Under products, we've got categories. Click on categories. Yeah, so now let's type the name of the category that we want to create. So we are going to say interior decor. Then let's copy the name of the category and paste it also as the slug. So because this one that we're going to create is a parent category, so we're not gonna choose any parent category from here. So let's go ahead and click add new category. Okay, our category is added now. Now let us create the subcategory for this parent category. So we're gonna name it 3D modeling. Let's copy the name and paste on Slack. So because this is a subcategory that we are creating, let's just select which one is the parent category, which is interior decor. Then click add new category. Yeah, now we have our subcategory created. Let us now, we want to add these categories to our menu so that they can show on the front end of your website. So let's go ahead and click menus. You go to appearance first, then menus. Let's click it here. So we're gonna open the link in a new tab because we're still going to need the links of these categories. So let's go to our menu. So we want to edit on the primary menu. So you have to select which menu do you want to add those categories. Click select. Okay. So now let's go to custom links. It depends with the kind of the theme that you are using. Some themes, when you come here to the menu items, it will show you product categories, but for this one it doesn't have the current theme that I'm using. So these are not the categories for the products, it's just the categories for the post. So let's go to custom link and let's copy our main category. Right click and copy link address. Let's go to our custom links, paste it here. The link text is gonna be interior decor. Click on add. Now let's add also the subcategory. Right click, copy link address. Let's paste it on the custom links. The text that is going to show on as a menu item is 3D modeling. Sorry. Then add new. We now have our menu items. Let's drag it here to make it a subcategory and click on save. Let's go and check on our website. Now we have our menu item, that is the interior decor category, and we also have a subcategory. So this is how we do it, and thank you guys for watching. If you have been helped by this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that whenever we add new videos you can get notified. Thank you.